do you actually set up the portal in Jira Service Management? Good question. It's actually fairly simple and straightforward. And the answer to that is the portal is actually on by default for every service management project. So let's say I pull up my IT project here and I want to make sure that the portal is set up correctly. All I need to do is go to my space settings. And then from space settings, what I'm going to do is make sure that I go to my, so there's a couple places we're going to do this, but almost everything lives inside of the request management tab. And then we'll go into request types. This is where we could build, add, include all of our request types that actually show up on the portal. So once these are built or you have these available, you could always add more and create new request types really at any point. You could do that here with service requests and incidents, problems, changes, or anything unassigned that might not fit one of those categories. And then you'll want to make sure that it shows up on a specific portal group. Now, portal groups are defined. Let's see here. Channel and self-service. I think it was in here. Portal. There we go. There's portal groups tab. A little bit hard to find, but we can create new portal groups, edit portal groups, or even add or remove request types from here. So once you go through, you create whatever groups you want and you apply whatever request types you want to them. Your portal's actually already live. All you have to do is click this view portal button, and then you'll see the portal that it actually brings you to. This is on by default. There's actually no way to turn this off technically. You could remove all the portal groups and have this be blank, but it is a default staple of Jira Service Management. So once you have those portal groups and request types set up, you could jump into your portal and see what it looks like. You can manage some of your portal groups from here, some of the design items by customizing, and then you could share this with the rest of your organization, actually use it and submit requests inside the portal instead of doing it via like Slack, Teams, calls, email, whatever other methods that they're using, because this is by far going to be giving you a lot more context to the requests coming in. Hey, real quick, if you feel like Jira is messy and slow, or you feel like you're constantly trying to fix and rebuild it, then I want to invite you to take our free Jira strategy assessment down below. In just a few really quick questions, we'll show you which stage your team is currently in and exactly what to fix first.